Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Barclays Bank application on your Android device. If you'd like to access your account information, transfer funds, view alerts, and access mobile check deposits right from your Apple or Android devices, then you can easily download the application for Barclays on your smartphone. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how to download the application on your smartphone. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download the Barclays mobile banking application on your Android device, first make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Once you're connected to one, open up your Play Store for your Android. If you're using an iOS operating system, open up your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Barclays Mobile Banking and search. You'll be able to download the application on your device, but in my case you can see that the application is not available in my region, so in that case we have a workaround for you. Go to your web browser from your phone. In the search box, type in Barclays Bank APK and make your search. From the search results displayed on the screen, tap on the second one and you'll end up in this page. To download the latest version of the app, tap on the latest version. Tap on the download button in green on the next page. If you want more information about the app, then you can go ahead and scroll a bit down. Soon after you tap on the download button, you should see this kind of a pop-up box at the bottom of the page. Tap OK and your file is being downloaded. Tap on details to view the file. You'll be able to see the downloading progress for your application on the next page soon after you tap on details. Wait until the application downloads. Once the file has been downloaded, tap it on. You'll be asked whether you'd like to install the application on your device. Tap on the install button in the pop-up. Once the application is installed, simply tap on the open button. And there you have downloaded Barclays mobile banking application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.